Hello, this is Japanese Salaryman's Vlog, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And thank you for support me. And I was really surprised to my followers finally reached around 40s. Thank you for watching and support this channel. And today, maybe you know, I'm in the kitchen in my home, and I will make Yaki udon for my dinner. And Yaki udon in Japanese, and it translates to stir-fried udon in the English. And Yaki, so I hope you know the udon. It's a kind of noodles. Sorry for I just posted noodle dishes in the previous videos. I made the Japanese spaghetti in the previous videos, and I also post videos. I'm posting these videos cooking Yaki udon. It's a kind of noodle. Sorry for watching. You see there straight two videos showing noodles. Yeah. Anyway, so Yaki udon. So udon is a kind of noodle. So the udon can be mixed with soup or stir fried. Just I will make. And if you like to udon, if you like udon mixed with the soup, we have to prepare top boiled water to melt freeze udon and make it a soup. And but the other hand, if you stir fried, so if you like to make the stir fried noodles udon, we only prepare the boiled water for melting freeze udon. So yeah, I decided to make the stir-fried udon today. So yeah, let me explain today's ingredient to make the Yaki udon. Enjoy! This is udon. The color is white and completely freezed. I just put them out from the fridge for freeze items here, and I will use mushrooms and Japanese mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and onion and green onion and carrot. If you add the carrot on your dishes, it looks very colorful, so I like to use the carrot to make the appearance good. And as I said, we need a boiled water, so I make that by Tefal. It's a French company. It's so nice. It's very famous in Japan. So if you like mix with udon with the soup, we need a lot of boiled water to melt freezed udon and making the soup. But today my menu for dinner is stir fried udon, so I only need boiled water for melting this udon. Yeah, so let me cut them to mix with stir fried udon. I pour the boiled water in this pan, and so I make freezed udon melt. So I put them in. Those udon are completely freeze, and so a water temperature a little bit low when I put them into the boiled water in the pan. So I change the heat level higher. Actually, those freeze udon is pretty cooked, so you don't need to put them in the boiled water for a long time, because so we only unfreeze those udon, so you don't need to stay in front of this pan for 10 or 20 minutes. So if you can see the freeze completely melt, we can stop the heat. We hope udon texture is hard, so you pour tap water to them. So if you the udon have the cold water, the texture turn out too hard. Now I'm making a sauce that is mixed with the udon. So I like taste of spicy and garlic flavor. We don't usually use garlic in the stir fried udon, but I like to eat the smell and taste, and so I also added spice. So I also add the carrot. The carrot texture is so hard, so I have to stir in the beginning of making the sauce like this. And I also added some green onions, and the green onions taste and the flavors move to this oil. So it's like making a pepperoncino with spaghetti. So the pepperoncino is also apply the same method to make that. A lot of olive oils, the garlic taste move to the olive oil. I do similar things to make this stir-fried noodles. I move vegetables in the dish temporarily, and the next I will bake meat in the same pan. If you don't mind the texture of pork, you don't need to bake the pork separately with the vegetables. But in this time, I separately baked pork in this pan because I use a very high quality pork here. Came from the POW systems. It's a delivery systems, and pork quality is so high, and so I want to enjoy pork texture and the taste. So I concentrate to heat the pork separately, and due to enjoying the taste and smell and flavor of this meat. I added the salty and the black peppers on this pork, and yeah, it was good timing to add to mix with the vegetables previously stirred in this pan. So now I join the vegetable joined with the pork. Finally added the mushrooms in this pan. So now vegetable, the pork, and the mushrooms are in the same place. So just final process. I added the noodle into this pan. Okay, noodle is cold because a tap of water attack on those noodles. So this is the final process. So we added seasonings, and the big main part of seasoning is dashi powder here. Yeah, this man appeared in previous videos. It's did great work for all of Japanese food. And the flavor and the taste, salt taste is so strong. And you added some soy sauce. And the soy sauce appearance turned to the black. Good appearance. Now we almost done making the yaki udon, the stir-fried noodles. Yeah, it's good appearance, but don't forget to add bonito flake. If you add this part, yeah, flakes. Finally, yaki udon is done. Thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow.